Okay, so today I'm gonna be solving Leetcode daily. This is this one. Recover tree from preorder traversal. So they have this 1, 2, depth of 3, 3, depth of 3, 2, depth of 4, 2, 5, and then 6, 7. This case 4, 4. So what I think right now is to so there are two possible cases here. So either they're gonna be length 2, either the length gonna increase of this depth indicator, or it's gonna be the same. Can it be less? Can it be like 2? Oh, okay, it can be less. So here. So it can increase, it can stay the same, or it can decrease. So I should somehow read this dashes and somehow make a wise decision as for whether I should go. So this one is a very good case. So in this case I'm increasing the dashes, so it means I'm going left, left, and then so what if I beat this to the stack, and then every time I see the length less than the current, if I see the length greater than the current, I need to if it's like less than the current, if it's less than the current, I need to pop the elements until I see the parent of the same length, until I see the level less or equal current. So in this case, if I see the level greater than the current, I need to push the element into stack, and then if I see the length equal to the current, I need to pop the current value, and yeah, so I need to, so basically it's gonna be something like this. So I'm gonna have this say earliest of integer pairs, and then gonna be say stack and then equals stack new linked list, and then for say level, so int level is going to be equal 0 first, for int I equals 0 I less than traversal trav lengths plus, and then int all 0, and then if so char age equals 12 char at I, and then if char is equal this dash, I'm gonna increment the level plus, and else I wanna do this and lev, let's say val equals 0, let's say if val not equal 0, I'll do, so it might be 0 also. Okay, it not might be, it can be 0, so it's from 1 to 10 to the power of 9. So if value is not equal to 0, I'll do stack if stack is empty, why don't I do the private class pair? Gonna have a public 3 node, then public int lev, and then pair 3 node int lev, and then this node and then this lev equals left, and then if stack is empty or level or stack peak level less than current level, I wanna do stack peak so 3 node equals new node, no 3 node, and then the value gonna be val. Yes, and then I need to decide whether I need to if stack not empty, if stack peak left is equal null, I want to stack peak left equals node, else stack peak else stack peak right is equal node, and then I wanna push stack push new player, and then they're gonna be node and then left, and then I'm gonna have this level plus plus, or like level equals gonna be equal 1 and val gonna be equal 0. So in case the else level just plus plus here, and then else val equal val multiplied by 10 plus character minus 0, and then this one int, and then I wanna do in the end return stack peak, and then here if the stack so while stack is stack not empty, and stack peak left level greater or equal current level, I'm gonna do stack pop, and then this one something like this. So initially I'm gonna read the value, and then when I'm gonna push the value, actually if value not equal, okay, I'm gonna node, create node, and I push it initially, and then I'm gonna go, okay, I'm gonna assign level equals 1, and then value equals 0, and then I'm gonna start reading for all 1, and then again character gonna be dash, and then value not equal 0. So I'll check with the stack level, it's gonna be 0, and then this one gonna be level 1. So stack is not empty, so I'm gonna do as peak left if it's null, so it was null, so I'll reassign node and I push, and then again I check, and then what I do, I push, and then again I push, and then I pop this for 3 for 9, and then I push, add 8 8 as a write to 4 1 1. So here node, and then here node, node, so I returned in this case while stack peak while stack is empty, while it's not empty, and stack peak level greater than 0. I'm gonna do stack pop. No, still no. Expected. So I have not added 7. Why I have not added 7? So I push 1, add for 1, and then add 3 for 9, and then push 3 for 9, and then I need to add 90 to 3 for 9, and I add 90 to 3 for 9, and then I have 88. That's, I don't know, something is wrong here. Okay, let me do that in the code. Move this new file, Leetcode. I'll have this class. Then I have main. Then I'll have public static void test3. Then string traverse. And then traverse this one. And then I'll wanna call Leetcode 28 sol, call new sol, and then 3 node output gonna be sol draft, and then instance ID equal 1, and then I wanna do this test 3 and see how it can go. Okay. Okay. Three node. I don't want a 3 node. So I'll run this one in the debug mode. Okay, and then output gonna be, so the output, what? Okay, let's jump inside the function, and then if I'm gonna go traverse val gonna be 1, so I add 3 node, a stack is empty, I'm gonna push pair node level. Okay, and then change level to 1, and then check update value, check update value, update value, and then I have value not equal 0, and then go get node, update the node, update, create a node, check node left, null. Okay, update and push the new node, then update level, Okay, level gonna be 2, and then val 349 should be 349, okay. So 349 should be node 401. Update the left node, okay. So 401 now should be left. Okay, so the value 1, left value 401, and left should be 349. No? Yeah, left for 349. And then I push the update the value, okay. So the next one gonna be 90. Level 3. So level 3 now. So update the value. Okay. Node gonna be 90. And then update it. Push level 0, okay. And then I have a level 2, and it should be 88. Oh, I know, in the end, okay, so I got it. So in the end, I don't add whatever has left in, so I need to do, that's a silly mistake. So in the end, I need to add to whatever is left in a level and value to in a stack, or like with the current level and value, and I need to add the new tree node again. And then while stack peak is empty, well, it's not empty, and stack peak left greater than 0, stack pop. So if I run it, submit. Okay, so that one was a stack-based approach. I wonder if that there is any kind of, so how much time did I spend on this one? So like almost 30 minutes. So there was one mistake I made, forgetting to push the node, whatever I have left in a level and value, in a level and value after traversing this. Okay, so I'll claim this as a fail because I forgot to add this val and level to the tree structure in the end. So let me see if there is any better approach they suggest. Okay, so this one is more like recursive approach. This one iterative approach is stack single pass. So with a list, what they have array list. They check Traversal, tree node, index n, pushes depths, extract the value, create a tree node. This one also a smart way to figure out what's the level, what's the depth based on the level size. Oh, there is actually levels, the levels list. Last node and at each depth. Okay. Space complexity of n. Complexity of n. And this one is what? Also. Let me check this code if it's gonna be more efficient. Yeah, it's a little bit more efficient than this one. What people do here? String index. So helper is actually interesting one. So instead of saving the pairs, I can save the have the stack size like level. If stack size is greater than level, then I pop. That's a smart way to record the level. Okay. Creative stack. Okay. It all makes sense. Okay, so I'm gonna claim this as a fail, but again, like I didn't look into the solutions. I managed to come up with a solution, but it was a minor issue with last value and level that I missed to add. So let's fail.